Good morning, boys and girls. We have a story this morning called Buddy Likes to Ride. Buddy likes to ride. Tom went to the beach to ride on his surfboard. "Wait here, Buddy," he said. "A dog can't ride on a surfboard." Oh, look at Buddy's face. He doesn't look very happy. But Buddy didn't want to wait on the beach. He jumped onto the surfboard for a ride with Tom. Now he looks like he's having fun. Tom went to the park to ride on his skateboard. "Wait here, Buddy," he said. "Dogs can't have rides on skateboards." But Buddy didn't want to wait in the park. He jumped up onto the skateboard with Tom. Look how Buddy's dressed. He's wearing different clothes for each adventure they go on. Tom went for a ride on his snowboard. "Wait here, Buddy," he said. "Dogs can't have rides on snowboards." Did Buddy wait in the snow? No, he didn't. He jumped onto the snowboard for a ride with Tom. Look how much fun they're having. Tom went to the farm to have a ride on a tractor. "You can ride with me today," he said to Buddy. "You can ride on everything." And boys and girls, here at the end, there are some words from our story. We have the word but, onto, which is called a compound word. They put the little word on and the little word to together. Onto, ride, with, wait, did, can't, and his. Those were just words from our stories. And boys and girls, this is what we have been seeing the last few days, or really almost 2 weeks. This is why we've been home, because of all that snow. I hope you had lots of fun out in the snow, and maybe some of your pets got to play in the snow with you, because at my house today it is kind of rainy and that snow is starting to melt. So hopefully once that snow gets melted, we'll be back at school and I'll be able to see you all in person again. All right, I hope you enjoyed the story about Buddy and his friend Tom. Have a great day.